tonight, can you tell what we're gonna make? Get your mind out of the gutter, okay? I know I was talking about summer body, my birthday's coming up, but you know, this may be logical, but this is not. So tonight's menu is eggplant parmesan the way I make it. You need your eggplant, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, a little olive oil. Sometimes I make my own marinara sauce because it's easy, but we're just gonna use the jar tonight. Mainly because we're all still in quarantine, so I'm sure none of us are making homemade marinara unless you're one of those amazing Italian grandmothers. And in that case, wanna adopt me? Please, please.
Forget about
it. So besides that, you need mozzarella cheese, Gouda as well. It's easy, this one's simple. It's a quick one. Oh, I almost forgot. Somebody gave me a new present. Today's forecast is cooking with a chance of drinking. So I do half breadcrumbs, half like Parmesan. So you just cut your eggplant. Before I transition over into the afterlife, I want to go to culinary school just to learn how they cut. So you take your eggplant, put it in a nice bowl. This is where you need your olive oil. I'm telling you, it's easy and fun. Your other half will love you for this. Once you have your eggplant all coated with olive oil, you want to give them another little bath. You're going to dip them in your breadcrumb and cheese mixture. Something that comes out. So once these are done being coated in their second bath, you just put them in the oven for 5 minutes. I have it set right now at 350 degrees. It'll be in there for 5 minutes. Then I'll take it out and you do the second part. All right, this is going in, like I said, 350 degrees for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, you're gonna wanna heat your marinara sauce. Do you ever do this? Do that. Start cooking, and then you just start chopping up your cheese. You can't cook, have wine and cheese and just not be the taster. You're gonna chop up as much cheese as you like. Like I said, most people just use mozzarella. I'm gonna use this and Gouda. Anybody remember that show on ABC called Wife Swap? I think we should bring that back. I like to swap. I'll maybe go chill with Tom Brady. Cool, we have that. Totally forgot. So good. This is the marinara. Just want to put a little, coat the bottom of the pan. Take your little friends, place them in the dish. Sprinkle with some Parmesan. That's my first step. I add the Gouda. Now you add sauce on top. Now, this goes into the oven for about 10 minutes at 450 degrees. You take it out. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So, we'll be back in 10 minutes. Did you ever just sit and watch your food as well? Just peek in, see how they're doing. I guess you can clean up or you can drink up. We all know we're gonna drink up. I drink wine, we compare recipes. We're gonna start a club, okay? It's gonna be the best club. Okay, it's time to take it out. Amazing. Come on, look at that sizzle, you see? Look at that. I mean, I'm in heaven. I'm gonna eat all of that. Oh, that cheese. This is the way to my heart. So I'm gonna go sit on the sofa, watch a little new show called We're Here. It's on HBO. You should check it out if you want something that makes you laugh, but also is very heartwarming. It's kind of like Queer Eye for the Straight Guy, but with drag queens. It's really good. That's what I'm gonna watch. Eat this. As Channing Tatum would say, be fat and happy. Fappy. This is the way to your heart. I mean, who doesn't like Italian food? So, that's it for this one. Let me know if you try it.